to block someone on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can block someone on Viber. For that, open your Viber application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will reach to this interface. Now from this list, find the person whom you want to block. Click on the profile of that person, and once you reach to the chat page of that person, here move the right window to the left, and then this window will appear. Here scroll down to the very bottom, and then there you will find block this contact option. Click on this block contact, and as you can see, you have successfully blocked that person. Now this person won't be able to message you. So in this way you can block someone on Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.